Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope all of you will be fine. Today I will give you a brief recapitulation of the number system. Let's start. Number system. In the remote past, people started with counting numbers, and with the passage of time they invented negative numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and so on. We start with natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers, or we say positive integers. Set of natural numbers, it is denoted by capital N. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It is the set of natural numbers. The set of whole numbers, it is denoted by W. It is also called the set of non-negative integers. When we include 0 with the set of natural numbers, we get the set of whole numbers. 0 and all the natural numbers constitute the set of whole numbers. The set of negative integers, these are the negative counterparts of natural numbers, -1, -2, -3, so on. Usually it is denoted by Z and putting negative sign. The set of non-positive integers, 0 and all the negative integers constitute the set of non-positive integers. 0 and Z negative, set of negative integers. The set of integers 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, so on. Or we write it in this way: 0, 1, 2, 3 and their negative counterparts on the left side, -1, -2, -3, so on. The set of integers 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, so on. This set is denoted by the letter Z or Z. Actually it is the letter from Greek zeta. Zahlen is a German word for integers. Therefore, we denote the set of integers by Z. History. In 1563, Albert Host introduced integers. He was a German mathematician. The set of odd integers not divisible by 2, plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, so on. Its formula is 2n plus 1. If we take n belongs to Z, if we take any integer from this set and put in this formula, we will get odd integer. The set of even integers 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6, so on. Even integers divisible by 2. Integers in the table of 2. E2n, where n belongs to Z. If we take any integer from this set and put in this formula, we will get even integer. Set of odd integers and set of even integers, these are two important subsets of the set of integers. And odd integers union set of even integers, they constitute the set of integers. They are entirely exhaustive. And set of odd integers intersection set of even integers, phi empty set or null set, void set. It means there is no integer which is odd integer at the same time even integer. These two are mutually exclusive sets, disjoint sets. Set of odd integers and set of even integers, these are disjoint sets. Now we explain P, the set of prime numbers. This is the definition. A prime number is a whole number, or we can say a prime number is a natural number that has exactly two different factors, 1 and itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. All these natural numbers have only two factors, as 2 has 1 and itself 2 factors. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3 itself. Similarly, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. In other words, we can say every prime number is divisible by 1 and itself only, as 7 is divisible by 1 or by 7. The set of composite numbers. Its definition: a composite number is a whole number, or we can say a natural number. In different books, in some books there is a natural number, and in some books there is written whole number. We can use any of these two words. A composite number is a whole number or natural number that has more than 2 factors, as in the set of composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9. All these numbers are divisible by more than 2 numbers, as factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4 itself. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. So 6 has 4 factors. It is a composite number. In this way, all these are composite numbers. These two sets are, we can say, these are the subsets of set of natural numbers, or we can say these are subsets of set of whole numbers. These are always positive. Smallest prime number is 2, and 2 is the only prime number which is also even number. All other prime numbers are from the set of positive odd integers. Composite numbers. The smallest composite number is 4, and these two numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers, are always positive. One important thing: 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. These two integers are neither prime nor composite. An important characteristic of prime numbers is composite number. A composite number can be expressed as product of prime numbers. We can express each composite number as a product of prime numbers. As 4, it is equal to 2 cross 2, it is the product of 2 and 2. 35, 5 into 7. These two are prime numbers. 12 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 3. The next very important set of all rational numbers. In set builder notation form, x, while x is equal to p over q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. P and q both are elements of the set of integers. Set of all irrational numbers. X, while x is not equal to p over q, where p, q belongs to z set of integers and q is not equal to 0. Just we replace the equality sign with unequal sign, we get the set of irrational numbers. Set of all real numbers. Union of set of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called set of real numbers. When we take union of q, set of rational numbers, and q prime, set of irrational numbers, we get r, set of real numbers. These two are disjoint sets, so q intersection q prime is equal to null set. There is no any number which is rational as well as irrational at the same time. Now we define complex number. The numbers of the form z is equal to a plus b iota, where ab belongs to r real numbers and iota is equal to square root of -1, are called complex number. Here a and b are real numbers. For example, 3 plus 4 iota, it is a complex number, and 7 minus 8 iota. Another example, 2 minus 5 over 7 iota are 10 plus 12 iota. These are the examples of complex numbers. If we just write 4, it is also a complex number because we can write it as 4 plus 0 iota. Set of complex numbers is denoted by C. Z is equal to A plus B iota. A complex number consists of two parts, real part and imaginary part. Here A is called real part of Z. RE, we write it as REZ, or we put Z in round bracket. Similarly, imaginary part of Z, IMZ, or we put it in round bracket. For example, if our complex number is 5 plus 7 iota, then we will say 5 is the real part and 7 is imaginary part. Set of real numbers is the subset of set of complex numbers. This was the brief recapitulation of all the sets. Allah Hafiz.